I'm your host, Stella Woon, Senior Marketing Specialist from Advantech's Embedded AI Group. We're very honored to have our eco-partners in wireless field, Qualcomm, NXP, Tecra, and E Ink, together to accelerate the breakthroughs of 5G and Wi-Fi 6. As always, don't be shy to ask any question through the online platform at any point in time, so our experts can help you. Without further ado, let's welcome Mike Ruggieri, Sales Development Executive from Advantech, to give us an overview on how to demystify the upcoming wireless technologies, challenges, and applications. Mike, over to you.
Hi, I'm Mike Ruggieri, Sales Development Manager with Advantech. Today I will be presenting the topic, Demystifying Upcoming 5G and Wi-Fi 6 Potential Challenges and Applications. The main four challenges in the embedded wireless industry are: where can the customer find multiple wireless technologies from a single supplier? Where can they find a wireless solution combining both stability and reliability? Where can they find a product that has both the longevity and wide operating temperature support at the same time? And where can they find a partner that can handle the software integration and certification service? Beyond these four challenges, other challenges include many solutions on the market are consumer grade and not true industrial grade. They have commercial longevity of only 1 or 2 years lifespan. And for smaller emerging projects, there is little or no hardware or software support. Advantech is meeting these challenges head-on with a wide variety of innovative technologies such as Wi-Fi, wireless, GPS, and LPWAN. We offer industrial-grade solutions with true longevity and combine that portfolio with a full hardware and software support team. Here is a brief overview of Advantech's wireless module solutions. These are stable, reliable, industrial-grade solutions, including AIW100 series for Wi-Fi applications, AIW200 series for GPS, 300 series for LTE and 5G, and 400 series for Bluetooth requirements. Many of these modules are pre-certified in different countries, ready for a multinational deployment. Additionally, we are excited to offer our certified wireless kit, which is really built for speed. Speed both in the solution itself and for the customer's time to market. Advantech offers our WDIS, or Wireless Design-In Service. This service includes, but is not limited to, wireless connection software services, including driver support for different operating systems, system performance evaluations, system RF certification services, and wireless antenna customization. There are typically 3 main methods of getting a wireless system certified. The customer can select a module from Advantech and work with the lab to have it certified, or they can select a module, have Advantech then handle the system integration and lab certification, or finally, they can simply leverage our certified wireless kit solution. So I've mentioned it a couple of times. What is a wireless kit? It is an FCC and CE pre-certified kit, including potentially carrier-grade certification in the future as well. A great deal of time and money can be saved by using this kit, in that the customer will only be required to spend time and money on the EMC and EMI certification. Again, this kit solution is built for speed. Today we have 2 cutting-edge wireless technologies available on the market, 5G and Wi-Fi 6. The main target applications for 5G are transportation and outdoor wireless, with the data and network being managed by the carrier companies. For Wi-Fi 6, the target applications range from IoT and manufacturing to enterprise and retail, with the network and data typically being owned by the enterprise. Advantech provides a range of robust solutions for overcoming the potential challenges with all of these target applications. Thank you.